Well, I guess that's the end of my bulldozer driving. Apparently it didn't like pushing dirt. The blade got stuck. It's all newer model and it's all newer model. Pushes 10 pounds. I'll definitely be using this thing. What is up with these bees? I'll push them in the snow and it pushes up to 10 pounds. And I don't know what it pulls. I wanted to see what it could climb here. Let me put this in perspective. This is the hill. It's straight up. Straight. So it's pretty much straight up. I'm impressed that it made it that far with a dead battery. That might be why it didn't push dirt. Actually, put this. Is it 4-wheel drive? I'm trying to think. Yeah, it looks 4-wheel drive. Battery even fell out. Actually, no. Oh, I got stung. Ow! Boy, that battery's toasty. Well, this is where the battery was hanging. Get out of here. Bees! Ah. Well, I guess I shook that off. It's the off button. Here's my new camera holder right here. Minus the sticks. Oh my gosh, it bent. How'd I bend it? Oh man, I need to fix it. This is broke. There's the remote. It has a horn, an engine sound, and headlights. Here's the remote for that. Ow, bee! For the front blade, and this one is for the rear. Well, you're not going to enjoy this one probably, but if you did, please like and subscribe for more. And there's more dumb bees. There's more RCs coming up. I'm gonna be running my boat, Shockwave 36. The beast is going to be